All of our pictures have been imported into Adobe Photoshop Lightroom 4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the pictures that I like the best, and I'm going to reject the ones that I don't like. So I'm going to use the film strip to do that. And we can navigate through our film strip to see all of our pictures that we have. So let's double click on the first picture. We can use the toolbar to navigate through, or you can use the keys on your keyboard. If you want to return to the grid view, you can click here. If you want to go to the loop view, you click here, and here you can have a selected picture and a candidate. You can zoom in on both, or if you click the link focus, it's going to unlock it and you can only zoom in on the image that you have selected, or you can sync them both. But I'm just going to click done. I don't use this option that much. Let me zoom out. So I really don't like this picture, and I'm going to reject it. And to reject a picture, I'm going to hit the X key on my keyboard. And notice it says set as rejected. Let's reject another one. Let's reject this one. I'll hit the X key on my keyboard, and the picture has been rejected, and it also turned gray if you look right here. So let's go find some pictures that I really like. This one's okay, so I'm going to hit P on my keyboard, and that's going to flag as pick. This one is okay, so I'm going to pick that one as well. Actually, I don't like this one, so I'm going to hit X, and it's going to reject it. I don't like this one either. Let's X this one out as well. Okay, I X this one out, but let's say that I want to bring it back. I can simply click the U key on my keyboard, and that's going to remove the flag. If you want, you can write these shortcuts down, or you can just flag your pictures by hitting on the flag right here. Let's look through some of the other pictures. I really don't like this one, and I've been using my keyboard shortcuts, but I can also click on the flag right here to reject it or to pick it. Once I'm done rejecting and picking all the pictures that I want, I can go to Filter right here, and there's a drop-down menu, and then I can select Flagged. This is going to show me only the pictures that I have selected. I'm going to go to my grid view, and all the pictures are going to show up right here. You can also assign star rating to your pictures, or you can add color labels to your pictures as well. But that's something we can discuss in a different tutorial. Next, I want to introduce you to collections. Collections are groupings of our shots within a catalog. Say you shoot a wedding and you took pictures of the bride getting ready in the morning, then comes the ceremony, then the group shots, last but not least, the reception. You can group and label these different sets of pictures so that they are not all mixed together. This is a great way to organize your digital files and events. Creating new collections is quite easy, so let's create two different collections right here. I'm going to separate these pictures into two different collections. I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to end it right here. So I've selected these pictures where Brooke and Steve are standing up, and then I'm going to go to Collections right here. I'll click here, and then I'm going to create a collection, and I'll name it Brooke and Steve standing up. And I have to make sure that this is selected, and then I'll click Create. Then if I click on this little catalog right here, it's only going to show me the pictures where Brooke and Steve are standing up. But now I am going to go back, so I'll click here. It's going to show me all the pictures, so I'll just select the flagged pictures. Now I want to select the pictures where Steve and Brooke are sitting down, and I'm going to make this into a collection. So I'll go back to Collections, I'll create a new collection, and let's label it Brooke and Steve sitting down. So if I go to my main collection, all the pictures are going to be here. If I click on Brooke and Steve sitting down, it's going to show them sitting down, and if I click Brooke and Steve standing up, it's going to show them standing up. This is just a simple example of what you can do and how you can create different collections within a catalog. So like I said earlier, if you shoot a big wedding, you can separate your reception pictures from the church ceremony pictures. You don't have to mix them all together, and then this way it's easier for you to locate your pictures. The next movie we are going to discuss the develop module.